Hey, I'm Nate from Big River Group here. We're here to talk to you about door stud heavy. The heavy has Acme threads, stronger lever, higher weight capacity of 226 kgs, 10 gauge flange through the guts, and a wider width through the flange to hold heavier doors. Hospital grade wheels, full 360-degree swivel, you can lock it off as well on both ends, just to have it in place. Once these are set, not moving anywhere. When you're adjusting the door stud heavy or pro, always do it on the same side, otherwise it will put a lean on your door. The packers that are pre-made, that come with the product, is a standard pine packer, preset, and if you have a look here, the colours represent the thickness of your door. Once the packer's in and your door's in, and you want to fix off your door stud heavy, you just lock your lever in spot. That will clamp your door into your protective sleeve here, and it's good to manoeuvre about. This protective sleeve here is plastic and foam, high density foam, and that will stop you from scratching or marking your commercial doors or residential doors that are pre-primed. The benefits when using a door stud heavy is less wear and tear on your door, yourself, easily manoeuvred around. You're not going to damage the facade of the face of the door. Makes life easier. So we'll be attaching the door stud heavy to this external door. This is a 40mm 2340 external door, weighing in about 40 kgs, and we are going to attach it to your bottom railing. What we want to do is come 100mm in from each end. We slide this down. Once it's preset to 40mm, we want to be 100mm in from the bottom. Once that's done there, tied in, we lock it off. We're going to come in 100mm from the end, stay to the bottom paneling and avoid the glass. These are 10 gauge flange here, which is holding up to 230 kgs. We lock it in. Same process. Slide it hard up against the paneling. We're going to lock it off and avoid your glass, frosted glass. It's tied in there. Once these are fixed off, it's going to stand the door upwards. This is probably the most strenuous part of the job. We slowly bring it up. And if you want to adjust the sides so it's sitting plumb, have a look. You adjust over here. So it's very easy to manoeuvre over surfaces. This is pretty smooth, so you can see how it can run. Door stud is available at any of your Big River Group branches across Australia. You can also ask your friendly Big River team at your local branch or your dedicated sales rep.